The Camo X4 is turning out to be one of my favorite vehicles. It survived the hill, a ton of water and mud, and now we're at our new favorite bashing stomping grounds to see if this will hold up. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye is battening down the hatches, swabbing the poop decks, and just having a good time in the AC. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Check it out, this beautiful vehicle. A lot of you guys, as a matter of fact, didn't even know this existed until we featured it on our channel. This is a very not well-known vehicle by a very well-known brand, Redcat Racing. You guys probably know them by the Everest 8 Scout 2 or even the Gen 7. Those are amazing crawlers, and they're not holding back with this either. We really had a good time with this. Nothing broke, everything's still solid, and it took a beating, some B or something, in our hill climb challenge and just bashing session round 1. So now we're here with our new favorite stomping bashing grounds with you guys to have some fun. I don't know how high this will ramp because we're not hitting crazy peak speeds. Remember, this is a rock racer, so it is fast, but it's not as fast as some of our crazy things we've seen on the channel. This is on a 2S battery, and we're just here to have some fun. Abby and I have not explored up there yet, so I'd like to go explore with this now. And if it survives today, well then I've got some mods and upgrades in store for it. Some fun things that I personally will just smile seeing on this vehicle. So even if something does break, I'll probably find some metal upgrade parts because there are just tons of parts for this thing. Remember, we recently stumbled across an American-based Redcat Racing distributor. So if you're gonna buy some Redcat stuff, at least check out this company that we have linked in the description box below. Any opportunity I have to support a local small business, and by local I mean in America, I think we should try and do that. So they have batteries, chargers, all the Redcat Racing vehicles. It'll be linked below. Great little company. Let's have some fun with this. Looks like, I want to show you guys this. This little pile of dirt here is new. Looks kind of like they've added some more piles of dirt to try to keep vehicles from driving on this, I think. Not necessarily RC things, but obviously we have some new piles of dirt here to slow us down on our stretches. That's not going to stop the Camo X4 though. Well, maybe that giant boulder there will. Look, see, as you pointed out there, Abby, right on top of this hill here, new pile of dirt. So they're definitely trying to, probably some kids here with some BMX bikes or something, without supervision.
It's not posted private property.
No.
This public fairgrounds. So I don't know what's going on.
So I don't know if we've really talked about it much to you guys, but this is at our local fairgrounds, which is really cool. Little mud. We know this is very waterproof. Oh my goodness. I think this looks like it was designed to drive in a place like this. So if you guys have fairgrounds close to you, maybe your Camo X4 would be perfect for it. Look at that. This is a new kind of terrain for me to drive on with a vehicle like this. I've never driven in a rock racer here, which is why I keep wrecking it. Now the thing I like about this car the most is that we can drive it kind of like a crawler if we want to, but it can tear up the track. I mean, it is a powerful, very powerful vehicle on a good 2S battery. Oh yeah, wow. That was cool. There are so many huge boulders.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna ever come back here. It's really bad.
Yeah, look, show them a panning shot here. Someone has
absolutely ruined it.
Yes.
That wasn't there. That wasn't there.
Right.
Those weren't there.
Yeah.
That wasn't there.
Someone's come in to intentionally put stupid piles of dirt. Well, I'm really impressed with the Camo X4 because it's hitting some stomping bashing ground here that it's not designed for. You know, this is full-scale stuff and it's keeping up really well. There are spots that will throw me for a loop because I'm still getting a little used to driving it, but the main thing is, you know, we got giant boulders like that in the way. RC bashing grounds, you don't have that. And so I think you guys can tell by the tone of our voices, Abby and I are a little bit bummed out and disappointed that our bashing grounds that we have found have been kind of messed up by, I don't know, maybe some kids that were not supposed to be here being disrespectful or something. A bulldozer has clearly come in and put in these piles of dirt like right here that are really just restricting our fun. We can't come down off of that hill full speed now because we'll hit this wall when we get here. Now the camo is awesome. I just need to find a new spot now with Abby. We were so excited because we thought we were going to do so many videos here, but from the looks of things, maybe not now. This is just not a great place for RCs now that they've modified it some more. So maybe right after the fairgrounds are over and the races are over, we'll be able to come take advantage of this while it's still clean for a couple weeks or something. But this is still turning out to be one of my favorite bashers. It's extremely tough. I can't believe it's holding up to all this punishment that I'm putting it through. I really don't even like driving here because I'm afraid I'm going to break something. I don't need to. In our ramp over there that you guys love to see where we hit the Maximus with crazy air, it's now got a giant pile of dirt blocking it so we cannot pick up the speed. So it's, as sad as I am to say it, this might be the last time you see this.
You broke something.
I did break something. I hear something kind of dragging or rattling. Okay. That's just my drive shaft there.
Where?
I think well, it's this, see?
Oh, okay.
I believe I can find it. It's probably just right around here where I was just driving. So something, probably a hex screw or something that was holding that in popped out. So I'll have to find a replacement for that or see if I can find it for a few minutes here. Found it! Well, Abby and I are bummed out because this is our new bashing grounds.
This is not a good video.
No, I'm
This
sorry,
is not
guys.
our normal video.
No, this is disappointing. We just showed up and the dirt piles were here. So we'll find another spot to bash, I hope. Actually, we need to go down and visit the Lavalette track sometime with a lot of our vehicles. And as far as this Camo X4 goes, I give it 2 giant thumbs up for putting up with this crazy spot. We came out here, we still wanted to give you guys a video. So we're just bummed out about this spot. Hey, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. If you're in the Ashland area, you know, maybe within like an hour drive or so, let us know of some spots that you like to go to. It's always fun to hear from you guys too. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.